Sodick.
A wire circulation system bonding to tomorrow. SDGs, Global Goals for a Better Sustainable Society. Sodick has led the industry in developing environmentally friendly products based on the ideas of the 5 Rs. One attempt was the wire circulation system. Miyazaki plant was constructed in 2006, where high-quality wires are integratedly produced from procurement of raw materials in Japan. The following year, in 2007, an operation for wire circulation system began for reborn wires. Used wires are collected and sorted. Wire circulation system, sustainability action that makes effective use of limited resources. Conserving natural resources. Copper and zinc are extracted from collected wires and used as raw materials for new wires. Voices from wire plant workers. My name is Riichiro Yoshinaga from wire melting section. Sodick is one of the leading companies in establishing technology for producing high-quality wire electrodes from used wires and a system for wire recycling. In the wire melting section, we purify melted materials in heated furnace and stir thoroughly before cooling down to cast out 8mm wire strands. We also analyze elements of wire substance thoroughly. Working beside the furnace is very hot and strenuous, but I think it's the best part of manufacturing. My name is Kensuke Nakamura, and I work in the wire drawing section too. I would like to introduce you the wire drawing process. The process involves drawing and polishing wire with dies with annealing. We run the process several times. This 8mm wire strand are drawn to 3mm size in the beginning. What a beautiful wire! Thank you very much. Our production volume is increasing. We inspect the wires after each drawing process. This shows our test of the tensile strength and inspection of the surface of the wires. Inspections are always confirmed to meeting the standards and a chance in gaining insights on developing new products. Next, we would like to show our environmentally friendly ways in collecting wires. We have arranged 2 types of reusable bags for collecting used wires. A space-saving type for cut wire with L-cut option and a bucket type. We collect used spools together with wires free of charge in Japan. Wire circulation system offers a beneficial cycle for customers. Used brass wire can be exchanged with various Sodick consumable products. Not only wires, Sodick offers wire guides and eco-friendly products for exchangeable items in Japan. Our hope is that the wire circulation system connects us to our customers and will bring our society an enriched environmental awareness.